Welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at vGPUs. A GPU is a graphical processing unit. It allows computers to better handle graphics-intensive tasks such as web design, video editing, and 3D rendering. A virtual GPU, a vGPU, brings the functionality of a GPU to a virtualized system with greater flexibility in terms of capacity and resource availability. To give your virtual machine GPU capabilities, you will need to start at the system level. So make your way to the System Builder, and on the System Settings page, check the box next to Requires vGPU. Checking this box will present you with a drop-down menu from which you can select the GPU type. If you are not sure which type to select, you can always just go with what's available. Now finish your system and walk through the rest of the process of creating a deployment run. If you would like to review how to launch a deployment run, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Be sure that you select a cloud space that supports vGPU, and on the Configure Resources page, you will see this drop-down menu. Select the GPU profile available in the selected cloud space, and if vGPU is enabled, you will not be able to launch until you specify the profile. However, you will only need to select a GPU profile if you are launching into a vCloud cloud space. There is no additional specification required when launching a vGPU-enabled run into an AWS or Azure cloud space. That is all handled at the instance type level. So go ahead and launch your deployment run. Be aware that if you try to launch with a GPU type that exceeds your current capacity, your deployment run will be stuck in the scheduled state until the required vGPU type becomes available. So let's cancel this run and pick another DR that already has vGPU enabled. Remote access in using RDP or VNC. You can validate your virtual host's vGPU capabilities by opening your browser and going to the Made by Evan water demo, link in the description. And if everything is set up properly, you can put your vGPU to work, developing your application or polishing the visual effects for your next blockbuster movie. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.